Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. So Polygon MATIC seems to be following our micro structure here further to the downside, caught in this corrective wave like Bitcoin, many other altcoins today selling off. Bitcoin not doing much actually, just in sideways correction, whereas a lot of the altcoins are following our projections to the downside. It's following perfectly here this micro count currently. My view is that there's a good chance that this is now in its third wave here of the C wave. This is now getting complicated, of a larger third. Then at some point we should see a fourth and a fifth. Don't see this micro count as too predictive. I think it's going to change. That's what these ending diagonal structures tend to do, because that's just what these corrective subwaves are doing. One second, I just want to grab the 5 here. Don't know why it can't. There you go. That's what these corrective subwave structures tend to do, because in a diagonal you deal with ABC structures most of the time. So they morph, because a B wave, for example, which is part in every corrective wave, is one of the most difficult waves to predict, if not impossible. So I'm watching here for this C wave to play out. The bigger picture view is A wave, B wave, C wave, and we have targets here around 46.7 cents and 48.6. They have been well known for many, many weeks. And how did we get to them? Well, first of all, 48.6, 48.7 cents. That's the larger degree 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. I would pay attention to that. And then we can obviously take the length of the A wave. We go to the high of the B wave. And that gives us basically a target for the C wave. It's actually not 46.7. It's actually 46.5 cents as it seems. So just slightly adjusted that. But it doesn't really make a great difference. So this is sort of the range that we would like to see price get into next. Below that level, I only have the 41 cent level left. So I really don't want it to go below that level. This would potentially then lead to a drop to new bear market lows. As long as it's holding that level down there, I can see a third wave rally to happen afterwards. But at the moment, in the short term, we focus on lower. This was, again, a great short trade area for anybody who wanted to use it. And now it's just following the plan, basically. Yeah. So still, I think resistance is still relevant. I mean, the primary scenario was for it to make another low. It has done that here overnight now, finally following through. The appearance of what's happening here could indeed be a third wave. Yeah, it is, I don't want to say aggressive, but it's coming down nicely. That's what we often see in a third wave. Also, if you look at the indicators, there is no, I mean, need to go to the 1 hour chart. Very strong reading on the 1 hour chart. That's typically what you get in a third wave of a third wave. So it's coming together nicely. And if it now gives us a fourth wave and then a fifth wave, it would likely form a bullish divergence, then would form that fourth wave and a fifth. Yeah, so that's at least at the moment the perspective. Now, however, that it has made a lower low below the August low, technically, any low could be the last one. Yeah, don't be surprised if it suddenly turns around. That's essentially what we've been waiting for. It should go lower. Yeah, I'm fully expected at this stage. But now that it has made a lower low, technically it could turn around. But actually, no, hold on. Well, it could do, of course, anything could happen. But I want it to go below the June low. Yeah, that's the point. That's below 50.6 cents. It should get there. Then it can turn around at any time, or it should turn around then at any time. Now it's, of course, it can turn around, but it should really make a lower low below the June low. That would be ideal. Yeah, and so far no change to forecast really. Just to highlight again the levels. Yeah, and against the last swing high, we can focus on lower basically. So it's here this 56.6 cent level now. Against that level, I would focus here on lower, the wave 2 high, because above that level, this move down will get invalidated. Yeah, and that's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.